Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Mackenzie Bart. Hopefully you made it through with all the snow that we've gotten the past almost 24 hours now. Started late last night. We had a good 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches this morning. Then we saw a lull, and then things really kicked up this afternoon, and we're starting to get some of the snowfall totals in. Some places seeing 10, 11, 12 inches of snow so far across the area. We'll have another look at some of the snowfall totals coming up at 10 o'clock tonight. We'll give you a look right here, but we're just continuing to update those, and we still have some more snow to go. Shaker Heights, 12 inches of snow, a foot. Parts of Summit County, close to 11 inches of snowfall. Seven Hills, 8.5. Cleveland Heights, 8.5. And then we have parts of Parma, 8 inches. Boston Heights, even 7 inches of snowfall there. Ashtabula, 7 inches of snow. A few others coming in from the National Weather Service that are pretty noteworthy. 7 inches of snowfall. Broadview Heights, we're seeing almost 7 inches of snow in North Royalton. Even some parts of Barberton, almost 4 inches of snow. Yeah, so we've definitely seen a decent amount throughout the day, and for some places those will continue to add up. So let us know what you saw out your window. Couldn't really see much this afternoon. We had that hefty band move into parts of Cuyahoga County, Lorain County, some parts of Summit, Geauga County, right around 2 o'clock. It led to some whiteout conditions, really put down a decent amount on the roadways, covered up maybe anything that you were able to shovel. We did get into a little bit of a lull tonight, although we're going to keep a few of those snow showers in the forecast a little bit later for some of us, but we are going to start to see this turn into more of a lake effect for our snow belt as we head into the later part of the night. That does those winds shift a little bit more. That'll allow for places like Cuyahoga County, Geauga County, Lake County to continue to see snow through Saturday. Ashtabula County included in that as well. Let's give you a look at the radar. So we've kind of taken a break. The closer to 9 you are, we'll probably still have a little bit of flurries still around, but we're getting into a little bit of a lull here. Quieter if you are closer to 90. And then the farther away we get, Parma, Strongsville, Brecksville, now starting to see some areas of snow. Garfield Heights still dealing with pockets of some hefty snow. Moving into northern parts of Geauga County, up through Chardon, still seeing that. Southern parts of Lake County and the northern part of Ashtabula County now starting to see that. But you'll notice we'll start to see more snow for those counties that are in our primary snowbelt region, especially overnight into early tomorrow. And that's why we're still holding on to some of those winter storm warnings in the places in the red. So that'll last until early tomorrow morning. That we're actually going to start to see that and a few of those advisories too. This is for the whole event. So a lot of places have already started to get some snowfall close to these amounts, but this is at least through Saturday, where we, all in all, as we get through this event, are expecting in the heart of the snow belt anywhere from 9 to a foot. Places in Cuyahoga County, 4 to 6. We've definitely seen some pockets with a bit more than that. Heading into parts of Youngstown, southern parts of Summit County, parts of Stark County, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow. So we still have a little bit more to go as we continue into this event. All right, here's what it looks like as we take you through the night. We'll start to see this become more into our primary snow belt by early tomorrow morning, becoming more isolated there. Now, this will become a little bit more scattered across the region Saturday afternoon. We'll pick up some late accumulations here, but we're not going to have the heftier bursts like we did out there today. And then taking you into Saturday evening, we'll finally start to see this event pull away, and we'll see quieter conditions Saturday night into Sunday, and actually Sunday afternoon we'll try to squeeze out some sunshine here and there. So second half of the weekend, actually not looking bad, but that snow is definitely going to be sticking around as we'll have some cold wind chills move on in. So for tonight, we'll keep a few of those snow showers around. Again, they'll continue to push south as we head closer to 10, 11 o'clock tonight. So maybe some folks closer to Summit County and Stark County will get a better chance for some snowfall the next few hours, and then we'll start to see that push into our primary snowbelt region. Tomorrow, temperatures only going to be in the teens. It'll feel much colder than that, though, with the breezy conditions. It'll probably feel about 5 to 10 degrees colder throughout parts of the day tomorrow. Lake effect snow showers throughout the first half of the day. We'll see it quieter conditions. And what I'm talking about, some of the colder air, we're actually going to get a return of some of those bitter wind chills. We'll see those wind chills dive below zero early Saturday morning. We'll feel like the single digits Saturday afternoon, then Sunday morning dive back below the zero mark before we start to see some relief in the 8-day forecast. I want to bring you back to the radar because we are getting some questions on what it looks like out there right now. Saturday in Parma, we'll probably have a few flurries in the afternoon, but accumulations will be light, at least for Parma as we get into the weekend. Our big event was really today, especially for folks in Parma. Portage County, we'll start to see a push of some snow move in as we get into the later part of the night. So probably could pick up some light accumulations there. Most of the county looking pretty quiet. We get into the northern part of the county, we're having some snow showers pushing right now. But if we put this into motion, you can see that is continuing to push south and kind of fizzling out in some parts with intensity. North Canton asking how much. Probably by the time this event is over, I'd say closer to 2 to 3 inches of snowfall. Maybe a few parts in northern Stark County might see a little bit closer to 4. Hopefully that answered your question for North Canton. All right, let's show you this 8-day forecast. If you guys want a better look at the snowfall totals, we have that on our website, as well as we'll be updating what we've seen so far. So again, this is mainly going to turn into lake effect as we get into the evening and through the day on Saturday. So we'll start to see that shift to lake effect for our snowbelt region. Temperatures in the teens. We'll have some light additional accumulations throughout the day on Saturday, but a lot of us saw the heavier snow today. Sunday, we'll break out some sunshine here and there, quiet, temperatures in the 20s, and then look at next week, warm up for us, 40s, almost near 50s, sometimes at points, but we are going to add on the chance for some showers. Could see a rain-snow mix on Tuesday, so it could be a little bit icy in the morning. We'll be tracking that coming up next. But we could have some problems with a lot of melting and a lot of flooding next week with this warm up and all the snow that we got today. All right, you can always find the latest forecast at fox8.com underneath the forecast discussion, or feel free to join us at 10 o'clock. Have a great night. Stay safe.